Welcome back to Morley's Market Update. I'm Peter Morley, and I'm here to share our insights on Q4 2024 in the Eleuthera real estate market. Let's start by taking a look at housing. New home listings in Eleuthera are staying strong. We saw 23 new listings this quarter. While that's slightly down from the 25 in Q3, it still shows good activity compared to previous years. That said, if we zoom out and look at 2024 as a whole, there's been a steady decline in listings each quarter, 36 in Q2, 39 in Q1, and now down to 23. Now let's talk about demand. Contracted sales this quarter were at 5, which is consistent with Q3, but still quite a drop compared to the 15 contracts we saw in Q2. Completed sales also held steady, with 7 finalized this quarter, up slightly from 5 in Q3, but it's worth noting these numbers are much lower than in earlier this year. When it comes to prices, things are looking pretty positive. The average sales price for homes this quarter came in around $2.4 million, a big jump from Q3's $1.4 million. The median sales price also increased to $880,000 compared to $700,000 last quarter. These higher price points might reflect premium properties hitting the market or buyers willing to invest more despite a cooling trend in sales. The median days on the market shot up to 227 days this quarter. That's a jump from Q3's 209 days and a significant increase from Q2's 96 days. It seems like homes are taking longer to sell, which could mean buyers are being more cautious or sellers might need to rethink their pricing strategies. Finally, the list to sale price ratio dropped slightly to 84.6%, down from Q3's 88.3%. This tells us that sellers are negotiating more, likely in response to the longer times it's taking to close deals. Now, let's shift gears and talk about the Eleuthera land market. New land listings this quarter came in at 50, which is a little dip from the 57 we saw in Q3. Overall, though, we're seeing a consistent trend of strong interest from land sellers in Eleuthera. Contracted sales saw a slight decrease this quarter, landing at 9 compared to 19 in Q3. But on the flip side, completed sales rose to 17 this quarter, up from 15 in Q3. So while fewer deals are getting signed, more are actually closing. Price-wise, the average sales price for land this quarter was around $331,000. That's a noticeable drop from Q3's $436,000. But the median sales price held steady at $50,000. This shows that while there might have been a few higher price transactions last quarter, the overall market value for land remained consistent. The list to sale price ratio also stayed stable at 91.7%, down just slightly from Q3's 95.9%. Sellers are still holding pretty firm on their asking prices, which is a positive sign. Lastly, the median days on the market for land came in at 98 days. That's a big improvement from Q3's 182 days and shows that land is moving much faster now. This could mean that demand is picking up or that pricing is better aligned with what buyers are looking for. If you're wanting to explore the data in more detail, we've got the full report linked down in the description. And if you found today's insights valuable, please like the video, drop a comment below, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any updates on the Bahamas real estate market.